What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I was looking at my phone with no battery. So today's video is about the Nokia 6600i, which I have currently disassembled there on the work desk, so I can't show it to you now. Well, long story short, I've already refurbished it and wanted to show you at the beginning how it looks, but I already done it, and there is one little problem with it that I'm going to fix now, and yeah. Anyway, let's get into it. And here we have it, the 6600i. That works, but the body shell, well, not the body shell, the slide mechanism, it's a bit off, and it's sliding pretty, let's say, hard. So, and it's not sliding properly, so let's begin. I won't change the body shell because, well, I don't have one, but I am going to give this a thorough clean and see what's wrong with the slide. If it's not fixable by cleaning it or straighten it up, then I'll just have to replace it. And I have one, but, well, this one is for the black model, this one is for the gray one. Well, who knows? Maybe, I hope so. And this thing got dirty just by opening the phone up. Dang. And these are the only two screws that are for plastic, you know, by the thread. Looking at the thread. There we go. Samsung. You. Something fell in this. Look at the condition of the main board. Man, this is hard to take out from here. Finally, it's out. Let me bend this back. Okay, I can clean this as it is. This is the speaker with the antenna. Also needs a lot of cleaning, as you can see. Yuck. There we go. Yeah. Now, fun fact, the display, it's glued on this frame with a very powerful glue that I'm a bit afraid to take out, which might prove to be very challenging if and I broke the display. Damn it. Since it's broken anyway. I'll have to look for another display. Easily going to unstick it now. Alright, I managed to save the flex cable at least. Oh, there's a lot of dust in this slide mechanism. I'll have to properly clean it. Wait, is the magnet? The magnet is here. I'll have to properly clean this and it will take a while. So, I don't know, take a break, grab a snack. I'll be right back after I clean everything and look for a display. Well, I've cleaned it, I've sort of fixed the slide mechanism. Hope for the best. And as if for the old display, I have a new one. So let's begin with this. Well, actually with the flex cable, it was a lot of work and a lot of cleaning and a lot of greasing and cleaning again. If I had a gray slide mechanism, I would have changed this so fast. But no, I did not have one, so here I am using the old parts. You know, I'm gonna start with the bottom half so that I make sure that this cable don't snap, you know. This is a simple phone to tear down, except for the, well, display, which has a strong adhesive. Other than that, everything went smooth. There. Well, basically it looks the same but cleaner, and the slide mechanism works fine. The screen looks like this only on my camera. It actually looks good, quite great actually.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere
so
much
this was for
deeper.
this phone.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't